Hi students, today we are going to learn how to do the estimation. Estimate the following sums to the nearest hundreds. Estimate the following sums to the nearest hundreds. Number 1, you have to notice nearest hundreds. Number 2, we have to find the sum. Okay. When we will get the sum, when we do the addition. After doing addition, whatever answer we get, that is called sum. Okay. Now here, next thing is hundreds, nearest hundreds. We have to do the rounding off to the nearest hundreds. So here, we already learned that scale, that is for the nearest tens we have learned. Now I will show you how to do the nearest hundreds. Instead of 1, here it will be 10. 1, 10, 20, 0, 10, 20, then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and then 100. Okay. Why? Because we are going to do the rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Here from 0 to 49, round off to 0. From 60 to 100, we will round off to 100. Now here again 50 is here in between 40 and 60, there is 50. This 50 is equidistant to 0 and 100. So 50 also round off to the 100. Understand? So this is the scale that you have to remember in when you do the rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Now let's do rounding off to the nearest hundreds. First question is 173 plus 173 plus 58. Okay. When you do this rounding off, you must keep that scale in your mind. First, let's do 173. Here, when we did rounding off to the nearest tens, first we saw which digit is there in ones place. When you do rounding off to the nearest hundreds, we have to see in tens place which digit is there. Okay. So in tens place here 7 is there. So 7 is greater than 5. Okay. So 73 round off to 100. So 173 round off to 200. Understand? Next one is 58. In tens place 5 is there. Okay, 5 is equal to 5. So 58 round off to 100. You understand? 173 plus 58. This is what we have to do. First rounding off to the nearest 100 and then we have to do the addition. Okay. So first we have done rounding off to the nearest 100. 173. In 173, 7 is in tens place. 7 is greater than 5. So 73 round off to 100. So 173 round off to 200. Then now here second one is 58. In 58, 5 is equivalent to 5. So 58 round off to 100. So now what we got here? 200 and 100. Now we have to do the addition and find out the sum. 173 plus 58 is equal to 200 plus 100 is equal to 300. Okay. So if you want to do the addition, you can do it here. 200 plus 100. Okay, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So we got the answer 300. Okay, I will do it here. 200 plus 100. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, before I did, what I was doing was going a little bit down, so you won't be able to see. That is why again I have done. Okay. Okay. So 173 plus 58 is equal to 200 plus 100 is equal to 300 is the answer. Next one, 463. 463 plus 128. 128. Again, remember the scale. Okay. First we will do 463. In 463, 6 is in tens place. So 6 is greater than 5. Okay. So 63 round off to 100. So 463 round off to 500. 463 round off to 500. Next one is 128. In 128, 2 is in tens place. 2 is less than 5. So 28 round off to 0. So 128 round off to 100. Understand? We have here 463 plus 128. This numbers first we have to do rounding off to the nearest 100 and then we have to do the addition and find the sum. That is the question. So 463 plus 128. First we have to do 463. Then in 463, 6 is in tens place. So 6 is greater than 5. So 63 round off to 100. So 463 round off to 500. The next one is 128. In 128, 2 is in tens place. 2 is less than 5, so 28 round off to 0. So 128 rounding off to 100. Now 463 plus 128 is equal to 500 plus 100 is equal to 600. 500 plus 100 is equal to 600. Next one is 273 plus 504. First we will do 273. In 273, 7 is in tens place. So 7 is greater than 5. So 73 round off to 100. So 273 round off to 300. Next one is 504. In 504, 0 is in tens place. 0 is less than 5. So 04 round off to 0. So 504 round off to 500. Now we have to do the addition. 273 plus 504 is equal to 300 plus 500 is equal to 800. 273 plus 504. In 273, 7 is in tens place, so 7 is greater than 5. So 73 round off to 100. So 273 round off to 300. Next one is 504. In tens place 0 is there. 0 is less than 5. So 04 round off to 0. So 504 round off to 500. 273 plus 504 is equal to 300 plus 500 is equal to 800. Next one is 673 plus 150. First we'll do 673. In 673, 7 is in tens place. So 7 is greater than 5. So 73 round off to 100. So 673 round off to 700. Next one is 150. 5 is in tens place. So 5 is equivalent to 5. So 50 round off to 100. So 150 round off to 200. 673 plus 150 is equal to 700 plus 200 is equal to 900. We got the answer. 673 plus 150. First we have to do 673. We have to do a rounding off. In 673, 7 is in tens place. So 7 is greater than 5. So 73 round off to 100. So 673 round off to 700. Next number is 150. 5 is in tens place. 5 is equal to 5. So 50 round off to 100. So 150 round off to 200. 673 plus 150 is equal to 700 plus 200 is equal to 900. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.